Hi guys, Chris here from TechTab. Let's have a look at some more gaming I should say, on the X98 Pro here. This is Warface. It was a request. And I'm running on the lower settings here, 800x600. The game actually looks okay. Doesn't look too bad on low settings. And it's very playable. So let's have a quick play with this. And no doubt I'm going to die very soon because I'm not normally very good at these kind of games. Yeah. Dead straight away. You can see the frame rate is keeping around 30 frames per second, which is good. And overall, yeah, very playable. Wow, dead again. Yeah, I'm not good at these kind of games. Useless. So he runs voting airbase. I'll just have a quick look at the next map and see how that one runs. Quickly show you my settings here before the next map loads. So video 800x600 and everything's on the lowest there. Whoa, that was very quick. Basically all the settings are on low. The preset low setting for everything. Does take a little while to load. Probably because it's running off an eMMC drive here, and other people here running the map are probably running SSD drives and a lot faster desktops and things like that. Now, unfortunately, it's quite a dark map, so it's very hard to see what is going on here. Oh boy, I died straight away again. Yeah, I haven't played this game before. It's my first time. Used to it. Not used to it at all. Okay, one more go, and I'll move on to the next game. Oops, friendly fire. Ah, he still got me. Okay, so I'll test that next game. So look at Warface here. It's running on 1024 by 768 resolution. On the low settings. So I could go down to the minimum settings, but it recommended not to do that. But I think maybe I might have to keep that frame rate up. Whoa, dead. I crashed. Yeah, it's like my first time playing this game in a long time. Alright, so that's a quick look there. So it seems to run fine, playable. You could lower the settings to minimum if you want to boost up your frames per second but the visual details I think are lowered drastically, so it won't look too good. On to the next game. And finally, look here at Neverwinter. This was another request that someone asked me to play this game. I've got the settings on 1024 by 768, and it's on the lowest settings here to show you. So I set it to rendering quality there on the video card, just up here low. CPU's at medium, you could lower that down as well. In fact I will, I just put that on low now. You can tweak a lot of the settings here, but you know, you could go on for hours tweaking it and probably get the maximum amount of frame rate that you need from it. Now, I'm new to this game, so I don't know what to do. Now, I've just basically started, got a weapon, breastplate, and now I've got to kill some zombies or monsters out here. So it's safe to say that this game is going to run perfectly fine. Perfectly playable, frame rates hovering around the 30s here. Of course that's going to drop down, there's a lot more on screen, but I mean, at this early stage in the game, it doesn't seem to be an issue at all. I guess later on with big spells, magic spells and everything like that, that will probably dip down again, but I'd say it's definitely playable. I mean, it doesn't look that pretty because it's on the lowest settings, so things do look quite blocky. Let's see if I can skip past that. Oh, you can jump. Okay, just stand in the fire there. Okay, so that's Neverwinter. Runs fine, another playable game. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bit long maybe. Tried to make it as short as possible, just test those games out. Do keep an eye out on my playlist. I'll have more up and coming videos for this particular model, the X98 Pro. Hope to see you in my next video.